did not see.
Ay, ang bango. Ayan. Baba, it's not. Gawa niya. Say to Kuya, naubos ko na, guys.
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said
No!
Boy, no, don't throw it.
Sorry, Mommy.
Yeah.
You know what?
Barbecue
You
sauce.
have cookie! Leave it while take the whole thing. Mommy, but I will finish. How am I out?
We don't need that one here for you.
What, the pineapple?
Careful because that's all chips for you.
What about Molly? Put this here, Mommy.
No, not there. I'm gonna put it somewhere.
Mom. I like them. Okay, what about drinks? Hey, come and get out of here. Want Coca-Cola? Yeah, I like Coca-Cola. That's my favorite.
Right, don't. Oh no, we don't need that one here.
No.
But I need
Hey, I don't have to go here. Mom, this?
no.
Mom, we don't have biscuits.
Huh?
We don't have biscuits there. See, there's biscuits here and there. Yeah, but we don't have biscuits. Oh, we got
Biscuits.
I don't think we have enough room.
What else? No more
I've got
candy from the Philippines. This character.
I love this. Now I only have popcorn. Popcorn. Chocolate? Mom.
No, not yet. Not the chocolate.
Oh, that's funny.
Later, that one. No more.
There's still left one there. Mom, this is one. That's your big dog. More biscuits. Tiny. All the biscuits come over here. Ow!
Excuse me, honey.
These are all biscuits.
Oh, biscuits.
Over here. That popcorn? No, it's all biscuits. Oh, no. Popcorn?
No more cans,
Mom,
Kuya?
Mom.
Okay, now biscuits.
Hey, you really want four.
Where's the... No, it's already back.
Popcorn?
No, noodles. Where's the noodles? We need noodles.
Noodles? What noodles?
Just that one, only one.
Man, that's not noodles. That's pasta.
Noodles. This is noodles. No more?
Pasta. What about the popcorn? Because it's always easy to get from the soda.
How many pancakes do we have?
Wow. Oh, we used some of the other day. Easter eggs, Mom?
No, not this. Mr. Egg.
Hey, Dad, look.
Ah, you know what? Why don't you get your table? The one table.
Oh, yeah. Here, have that. But maybe take the water.
Careful now, careful.
Maybe just take the water.
Okay na, kuya.
But I don't want to put it.
We have to remove that stuff there first. Okay, put it there. Careful, Holly. Alis dyan, Papa. And Holly, alis, please. Move ikaw.
Where's all the popcorn there?
Okay, where's all the noodles?
I want it.
Pinakuha ko sa kanila yung
Mom,
dalawang table.
wait, is this mine?
Alis,
Mom.
Baba, alis, alis.
How come what?
Baba, excuse me.
Mom,
Yeah.
where's all the,
Where is the...
Mom,
This one. So, yeah. Where are the noodles?
what about the kitchen?
Yeah, no, don't worry about the chocolate yet, stuff. What we need to do is...
That's my water, Mommy.
Where's all the noodles? Give me all the noodles, please.
You know what this noodle? Donut. Mommy, this noodle?
Yeah. Baba, no, Baba. Not yet, this one, Baba.
I found my water.
Where's the other one? There's more there, please. Holly, stop. Stop like it, Papa.
Oh, we'll go to the shop.
It's already. Noodles, kuya. Asa, Holly, give me...
Mom. Hey, Mom, I found some more bacon.
Yeah, wait.
No, that's from there.
That's for nothing.
That was one question. Mom, this is one I think wrong. My whitest is too.
Can you put this now?
Where's the Kit Kat? Kit Kat?
Oh, no, not that one there, kuya.
Mom, what's two Kit Kats? Kit Kats. Mom. Mom, what's Kit Kat? Chocolate of the red one? Mom, what's Kit Kat? Of the one of two? Mom, did we don't eat those?
Oh, no, later na yun.
That was good.
Just this one.
Hello, Dad. How you stop talking to me? Look. Dad, we'll do it any stuff here.
Where's the... You have to put like... You know, the same.
Mom, okay, one there.
It's not this one.
That's the, I don't want to Stop. What do you want? Mom found it. Mom, I found the same one. Mom,
Okay.
here. Mom, you need it.
No.
This?
No, sorry. Not that one.
Sorry, Mom. Mom, I got more make one. Oh, no, upside down. One's upside down.
Which one?
Mom? I really
it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want.
Mom, we can use
Wait.
Mom, where's the unicorn?
But we can't use it.
Mom,
Oh yeah.
where's the unicorn?
And it's round,
It's
not
blue.
square.
Mom, what's the unicorn for blue?
Unicorn.
Yeah. What is it?
Can we use lots of people?
Oh, I think.
Mom.
Oh, what's that? Mustard. Later, wait.
Oh, I love mustard.
It's right there.
No, American.
American.
Chona and mustard.
You have to be careful here.
Mom, what is these for the showers? For the
Oh,
shower?
that's mustard, love.
What?
No more
Is it for
drink.
the cooking?
Yes, drink.
No, not that one.
Mom, is it for cooking?
Yeah, you can still have here, Kuya.
Mom, is this for cooking?
Yes. Yeah, wait. That one.
I like that.
What?
Oh.
Oh, I like it too.
Mom, I like that.
Yeah.
I want to put it for the...
No, that's not gonna go there, son.
Okay. There. Hi, Dad!
Yes.
Dad, this is your favorite. I don't put this here.
Wait, Papa.
Oh, yeah. Put one there, Mom. Mom,
Hmm?
put one there.
No.
Here. Oh, there. Look.
Hmm?
Here. There. Oh, where is it there? Oh, these toys. Mom, is this toy at the top big one?
Huh?
Is this toy at the top big? Mom.
No.
Yeah. The top here.
What is dessert?
Here, I'll just have something in the vein, Mom. I'll have something in the vein.
Where's the breakfast? You're tired, Kuya. Where's the...
This?
No.
What are you gonna do?
Where all the...
What are you gonna do with all the chips? There's no more room.
No, the chips will be go in the bag.
Okay.
Where is
Mom,
the...
I have something in the bank. Some water. But there's not much water.
How much water?
Like,
Mom, what about all
it's
the...
only one water.
Huh? Yeah, that's what I said.
I already put one there. Mom, I just put my dough. What?
Like this. Did you put all these? Yeah.
Some more? Not that then, not some more. Mom, we still have one more.
Not one more.
Yes, we have one more here.
What?
Still have one, two. Kuya, is this your favorite?
No.
Which one is your favorite? These? The spoons? Mom favorite these ones.
Yeah, can you get that down there?
Or is this for your favorite? Is this your favorite?
Mom.
too?
No, this one.
Here, here. Oh, you have one.
Let's go.
Look. This one.
Different one.
We still have one more. Oh,
Mom, Doritos. Doritos.
wow, wait.
More Doritos.
Wait.
You know what? We can put
Wait,
that
no, that
somewhere.
one's too big.
We still have one chip. Oh, this is fun. She likes it. I think when they're in the
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you.
Wait, I like my cat. I like this house. Kuya, will you told this today? Mom, there's more chips here. Yeah.
I hate me now.
Hang on.
I got marshmallows. Hang on.
Kuya, there's like one here.
Calm down.
No, look.
That goes with the roller guys.
Like five. Pause. What is this?
Aluminium.
No, baby.
Spoiled.
No, it's the one that I was
Oh. This one.
I'm going to watch TV now.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, look at me. That cat is my up.
Hey, Holly, do you know that one's the one that has it irritated? No, it's this one.
Nah, it's
No, that one. This one. No, it's not that one. It's not that one. It's this one. It's that one. Have a look at it.
Is this that one now?
No, it isn't.
Yeah. It did.
What's that thing on then?
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna
No more Doritos there, Kuya.
Oh.
We have this for your face.
Ah, akin na
And
yun.
we have this. Ooh, that hurt.
Uh-huh.
We have this for watermelon.
It's not watermelon.
But what is it?
I don't know.
That's probably.
Hey, Dad, want me to get behind me? No, I can't. My head can only fit.
My hair sounds good.
Yeah, okay. Someone look at their face at that thing. No, put the face on that.
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
Malapit na ako matapos, guys. And eto, yung mga nabili ko pa to noon sa Asian store, dun sa malaking market sa Allendale. Ilagay ko na rin dito para makita ko na mayroon pa pala ako nito. Oops. And if we didn't finish this one, I'll put that in the box, balikbayan box. In Dakadaw.
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I...
So
Oh,
put it
what are
on.
you doing?
Put it on. Fixing it.
You're fixing it. I'll think we're bad piping.
We're not bad people.
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said
5:30 na, guys. Tapos ko lang mag-ayos dito. And yung mga bata nasa labas na. Pinalaro ko na sila ng PS4 kasi nga, di ba, tinulungan nila ako dito. And again guys, ito yung mga napamili kong ipapakita ko sa inyo ay hindi po to isahang grocery lang. And nakita nyo naman sa mga previous vlogs na ilang beses ako pumunta ng town and ilang mga grocery stores ang pinupuntahan ko and halos talaga paubos na yung mga paninda nila. Kaya napapabili na rin ako. Kahit ayoko magpanik pero parang pag nakikita ko yung mga groceries na paubos na talaga yung laman ng ano nila, ng mga shelves, nagpapanik na rin ako na binibili ko na rin kung ano ang meron sila doon, hindi yung kung ano yung gusto ko, kundi kung ano ang meron sila doon. And kahapon, di ba, pumunta dito si Mel, hanggang ngayon wala pa rin daw na tissue, sugar, flour, at saka marami pa mga dilata, wala pa rin. Mga noodles, wala pa raw na stock. So, yung toilet papers na binili ko dati, ginagamit na namin. Pero yung mga Kleenex, nandun pa rin sila. So, hindi ko na dito sinama, guys. So, again, wag niyo akong i-judge na nagpanic buying ako, guys. So, eto na. Ayan, eto na yung mga dilata. Eto yung mga spam. Eto, pag hindi naman namin ito nagamit, yung mga dilata, ibabalik ba yung box ko yan. And ito yung spaghetti na nabili ko. Saan ko ito nabili? Nakalimutan ko na. Pero matagal ako nakakuha ng spaghetti noodles kasi hanggang ngayon daw, wala pa raw. Nagkakaubusan pa rin. And ito yung sa Filipino store, yung mga crackers or biscuits. Bumili rin ako doon. And ito yung tomato sauce. Walang masyadong tomato sauce, guys. Ito lang yung tomato sauce na nabili ko. Dalawa. Kasi hanggang ngayon wala. Meron din akong dilata. Dalawa lang. Kasi dalawa na lang yung allow. And halos ano to, mga coconut cream. And yung baked beans ni Jan. And ito yung long life na gatas. Pero ayaw nito ni Jan. Pero pag wala na talaga yan, magagamit namin yan. Meron lang akong isa. Ayan, isa pala. Tapos eto meron akong asukal. Tapos flour. Nakabila ako ng flour tsaka asukal. And noodles. Ito halos mga biscuits lang naman to ng mga bata. And ito yung mga paborito nilang drinks, yung V8. And mga cereals, tapos biscuits. And ito yung dalawang sakong bigas na nabili namin sa Adelaide. Pinalagay ko na rin dito kay Jan. And yung dalawang oil andyan sa gilid. Nakasealed naman yan, hindi yan matatapon. And dito, ito yung mga nabili ko to sa Asian store sa Adelaide noon pa. Linagay ko na lang dito kasi nasa labas to, nasa garage sila. And eto sabi ng sister-in-law ko, wala raw na pang damit na, yung mga detergent, ubos daw, wala hanggang ngayon. So, eto nabili ko to sa Woolies, noon pa, nung nag-start pa lang nagpapanik buying yung mga tao. So, bumili ako kasi, ayan, para meron tayong stock. Buti na lang talaga, binili ko yan. And eto yung mga chicheria, guys. Napabili ako ng chicheria or mga junk foods kasi nung pumupunta ako doon halos nagkakaubusan din sila. So eto nga nabili ko to sa ano na sa Foodland, wala na nito sa Coles. So ayan, binili ko madami yan. And Cloud9 syempre, tas Doritos, ayan. So yan yung mga nabili ko, pero walang conditioner, paubos na rin doon. Wala na rin na conditioner din sa Coles. Walang sabon, wala akong sabon. Eto lang yung sabon na nakuha ko. So walang sabon dito, guys. Tapos shampoo and conditioner. Kaya kung maubos yung shampoo ko, ewan ko na lang. So, yan yung mga... And eto, last 3 na lang to. Wala na rin to sa Coles. Kahit mga deodorant, wala na rin. So, ayan, binili ko na. Mayroon si dyan na 6. So, yan. And, alam nyo ba, habang nag-aayos ako, at tingnan nyo naman yung mga empty. Ayan, mga empty na, guys. Hindi ko alam na pinagkakain pala nila ito. And then sabi ko sa kanila, simula ngayon, hindi sila magta-touch ng mga junk foods hanggat hindi ko alam. Okay lang yung mga biscuits, pero yan hindi. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ang dami na nilang nakain. Ito rin, oh, ubos. 'Di ba? So yun, guys, yan yung mga napamili ko. Ilang beses ako pabalik-balik sa Coles or sa iba-ibang grocery store. Nakita nyo naman yun. And pag ito hindi namin naubos, ipapadala ko to sa Philippines. Balik-bayan box. Especially itong mga dilata. And eto noodles. Walang noodles na ro. Sabi ng sister-in-law ko. Walang noodles. Kahit yung mga nasa yung nasa yung cup ba, wala na rin. And rice, wala talaga. Kahit rice, wala. So, yeah. So, yun, guys. So, don't judge me na nag-hoard ako, guys. Kasi, hindi naman ako mag-grocery na for how many weeks. Kasi, okay na kami dyan. Ang wala lang kami ay yung mga, yung Yakult, tapos, ano pa ba? Yun nga, sabon sa kamay, yun ang wala kami. Mga sanitizer, wala kami yan. So, magluluto na ako. Kasi 5, magsi-6 na. Magsi-6 na pala. What time is it, Han? Sabi ni Jan, para akong tatayo ng sari-sari store. Wala na pala akong tomato paste. Gagawa ko ng sauce ni Jan para dun sa kanyang schnitzel. So, isa lang yung tomato paste ko dito. So, eto na yung last. Wala na akong tomato paste. Eto na lang. Bukas, utusan ko si Jan. Pumunta siya sa shop. Kung makakuha siya na tomato paste. So, gagamitin natin to sa kanyang schnitzel. Ito yung itsura ng broccoli, guys. Kaya kailangan ko na talaga siyang lutuin. Ayan, nagyayelo na siya. Ito hindi pa naman masyado, pero papunta na rin. So, kailangan ko na siyang steam or pakuluan. Ito na yung dinner ng mga bata. Request to ni Kuya TJ. Ito yung sardinas. Tinanggalan ko lang na yung tinik. Pero malambot naman yung tinik. Pero tinanggal ko pa na. Ito yung family's brand na fried sardines in oil. Masarap siya, guys. Medyo maanghang pero kaya naman nila. So, yan yung sa kanila. Yung kaya hindi pa luto. And ito, chinachop ko na. Yung dalawa nang naunang kumakain. Father.
Son, Holy Spirit. Sorry, Gigi, take my food.
Si Kuya naliligo pa. Tapos na si Kuya nagbibase lang, yes? Ayan si Kuya. Akala mo naman, lechon ang ulam niya. Siyang may request niya ni. Sit down, Kuya.
I sit down. Good. Good. I sit down. Mom.
Yes.
I sit down. Wash my hands.
Good?
Yep.
Good.
Good.
Yung kanya hindi pa luto. Good, Baba? Tingnan niyo si Kuya, oh. More rice pa siya, guys. Tingnan mo yung ulam niya. Ang dami pa. Growing up na talaga si Kuya. Oh, Kuya.
Thank you.
Welcome. How about you, Sa? Yeah?
Spit it on my plate.
Baba. Finish it, Baba. Hurry up.
He wanted to give us some more. Oh, good. Give me more.
Water.
Wait, can I get
Water. This one?
Yes.
So, ito na yung dinner ni Jan. Yung beef parmigiana. And si Kuya. Third round na siya, guys. Tingnan. Parang hindi nauubos yung ulam ni Kuya. Dalawang dalawang sardinas. Yung dalawang laman. Alam mo yun, dalawa siya. Tapos hinati-hati ko lang. Tapos na, guys. Oh, Kuya. Pangatlo. Tingnan nyo, ha? Inom lang siya ng tubig. Kasi maanghang siyang konti. I know. Yeah. Ang si Sak, kinain ni Sak yung tira ni John. Si Kuya. Tapos na yun, nagbukas ako ng isang sardinas. And si Holly still ongoing. Si Kuya, nakikisingit pa kay Holly. You're good? Okay, akin na yan. Good job, Baba. Huy! I'm done. Guys, i-close ko na yung vlog. Ang gagawin ko lang naman ay yung broccoli, pakukuloan ko. And, yeah. Yun ang vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Si Jan ang maghuhugas. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night, kids. Good night. Good night, hon. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye.
Looking like it's gonna be a problem, 'cause I be
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause